to show you guys how to make a really cheap and easy way to soundproof your phone when you're live streaming, making videos. I do a lot of live stream videos myself, fishing, and I know a ton of people do it. And the wind, it gets so aggravating, the popping and stuff through the speaker. I'm going to show you a way to make something that's super easy and crazy cheap. Alright, you guys go to the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Pick up a pack of these foam hair curlers. They've been around forever. Super easy to make this thing. Alright guys, all you do, take this foam roller, and you're going to take this little plastic piece that comes out. That one, pull it out. Take your pair of scissors, and there's going to be a hole right there. Put your scissors inside of it, and you're going to cut it with a split. Then about halfway up the roller, you're going to pinch it, just like that. And you're going to make, just pull apart just a little bit. You're going to make a little hole. And what that hole is for is your phone charger. Stick your phone charger through there. Take your phone, plug the charger in, and take this little guy, and it fits perfectly on the back side of your phone. I started doing this a few weeks ago, and the difference was night and day in windy conditions. So hopefully this little trick works for you guys and helps your quality of your videos a lot better when you're live streaming or just shooting video for whatever. See you guys in the next one.